Today, let's take a look at making 20K a month selling street cocktails in NYC. So that sounds pretty good. 20K a month. Like, I'm always open to learning and open to different opportunities out there to try to make some money, to grow my capital, and then to invest, to have more money to invest. So this one with street cocktails, 20K a month, that is a really interesting side hustle. So let's take a look and see what this guy's doing. Maybe we can learn something, see how he got into that, and maybe give us inspiration.
One thing my father told me, you have to go for it. You have to ask. Because only one or two things are gonna happen. You're gonna get a yes, or you're gonna get a no. My name is Obsession.
Off of that, you just gotta go for it. Sometimes you just gotta go for it. It's so hard to make a move sometimes. There's things that maybe sounds like it makes sense, and then you don't ever do anything about it, then it's just a wasted opportunity. There's things out there that actually make sense all the time, but you have to spend the time, learn, and then you just gotta go all out.
I'm an ex-professional basketball player. I also coach kids, and on the side, I make these drinks called Oyes.
Okay, he does everything already. See, I like this. This is the way, you have a lot of different interests and passions, and then you got to look at other opportunities, right? You don't just work, or you work on production sets and you do all these, you coach, you do all these other things, play basketball, and you still got to make money on the side. So there's a lot of different opportunities out there. So he hit on one, he's going for it. Sooner or later, one of these are just going to blow up.
I started in college. Now, everybody knows me as Oye Mayo. I'm the guy with the drinks. I'm the guy with the Oyes. Everybody in New York City calls them nutcrackers.
Started since college. So he's, see, this is the grind, it wasn't 20K overnight. He started since college. Bet you it didn't work or it didn't make sense or everybody thinks it's crazy. And for you to just push through, learn and grow and stick with it, that's how it turns into something.
You're really not allowed to sell nutcrackers. I was never one of the nutcrackers that was like, nutcrackers, like trying to, yeah, I got nutcrackers. I got what you need. No, I don't do things I can't promote. There's a reason why I was never a drug dealer, the reason why I was never a pimp, because I can't promote that.
It has to be sustainable. If I got a good, strong 1 month, 20K, maybe 50K, but then it's not consistent, it's not sustainable over the long run, avoid it.
I wanted this drink to be in airports. I wanted this drink to be in stores, in bars, everybody's refrigerator. And all this time I've been doing it for the last 6 years, I haven't had that success.
No,
However,
love it. That vision. You gotta have that vision so that you even know what you're striving for, right? And have that purpose. And then this is that kind of thing where it helps you to grind and stick with it, right? He's been doing this forever, for years and years and years to get to this point. Without that vision, like behind you, pushing you, most people would have gave up a long time ago.
Kids are not in school, so I'm not training kids. So this is very important to my livelihood, to keep it afloat, and even more important.
See, this is what your multiple streams of income is all about. Having multiple streams. If you were just counting on maybe being on production sets and then no one's in the set, and then or you were a coach at school but no one's going to school, like you're done. What are you eating, right? You only unemployment. That's it. If you don't get unemployment, you're on the street. But if he has this side business to keep him going this whole entire time, he's fine. He's doing great. All right, there's so many amazing lessons in this one. This guy is really out here just making it happen. Whatever he's got going, he's making the most of it, right? He's doing a bunch of different things. So there's not one thing that he's counting on, and he's open to like all these different opportunities and then sticking with it, right? For years and years and years, and not seeing like a whole bunch of success, and then finally one day really like getting there and really believing that you can get there. Having the confidence and that vision and sticking with it and constantly growing and learning, coming up with solutions for everything doesn't guarantee anything. It increases your odds to finally get to that point where you are in a really good financial situation or you achieve your dreams. Let me know what you think about this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.